So we will solve the 10th problem from the 9.1 exercise, that is some applications of trigonometric ratio. Here the 10th problem is two poles are there of equal height standing opposite to each other on either side of the road is 60 meter wide from the point between them on the road. Angle of elevation of this top of the poles are 30 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the poles, a distance of a point from the poles. So we have to, what we have to find out, the other two poles given. This is, you can see there is a two poles, AB and CD are the two poles which are the opposite to each other, and they are equal in size, and they have a center point on the road, exactly in between them there is a point. From the point, if we from the top of a tower, if see the point is 60 degree one of the angle, another angle of elevation, another one is 30 degree. If we see the top, from the top of a tower, the point, we get a 30 degree and 60 degree respectively angle of elevation. We have to find the height of these poles and the distance covered from the point to the respective poles. So what we have to do, suppose, so here we will see that here here the O is a point in between these two. So what we will do, AB is equals to CD. At the height of both the poles are same, so we are writing AB is equals to CD, and this BD is the, what it is, BD is the total distance from between the two poles, or two poles, that how much the distance between them, that is, if we split it, BO and OD is there. If we separate them with the point, if we separate them, they have BO and OD. So if we write OB plus OD, it will be BD. BD is equals to BO plus OD, and we substitute the value of BD, that is 80 meters. Similarly, now we have to consider the right triangle COD. COD, we will take the right triangle, a tan of 30 degree. What is this? Tan 30 degree is adjacent, opposite by adjacent. To this angle, what is opposite? CD is opposite, and adjacent is OD. So we write CD by OD. We substitute the value as CD by OD, we will write like this. We will do the cross multiplication. From there we will get CD is equals to OD by root 3. Clear? Next again we will consider another triangle, that is A, from the another pole, a triangle we will consider ABO, and the tan 30 degree tan 60 degree angle of elevation. Here the adjacent by opposite is, your opposite to this angle is AB by BO. We will write same AB by BO. Here the BO is, we will consider BO as 80 minus OD, as OB is equals to 80 minus OD. So we will write BO is equals to 80 minus OD. When we substitute the value, we will get here the given is AB is equals to CD. So we will write AB is equals to CD. Here the AB CD value is, we have seen the AB, we got this, and here it says that AB equals to CD. So from that we can write root 3 80 OD minus OD. CD, we know that OD by root 3, we have calculated just now. When we substitute the value, we will get, when we multiply 3 into 80, we will get root 3 will be 3, and if we multiply 80 into 3, will be 240 minus 30 3 OD. When we take the OD here, so what will happen there, we will get OD is equals to 240 by 4, and we will get it 240 by 4. So 3 OD plus 1 OD is, this will be 4 OD. So here we will be getting 4 OD and 240. 3 into 80 will be 340. 3 plus OD will be 4 OD. So OD is equals to 240 by 4, that is 60. We will get the 60 value of OD. Now we will substitute in equation 1, that is CD is equals to OD by root 3. OD is 60 by root 3. So root 3, what we will do, root 3 can be we can rationalize by root 3. So what we can do is, we can rationalize root 3 into by root 3. So when what we will get, root 3 into root 3 will be 3, and 60 into root 3, 60 into root 3 we have kept like this. We will get 3 divide, if we divide it by 3, what we will get, 20. So we will get a 20 value. If we divide it by 3, we will get the 20. So when we substitute the values 20 root 3, so we will get that this value as 20 root 3, not in division, it will be in multiplication, root 3. We will get 20 root 3. 60 divided by 3 will be 20, 20 root 3. And we will come OB in plus OD. We will write the OB plus OD. It is 80 degree. Now OB, we got the values of OD. OD is 60. Right here we have calculated 60. OD value is 60. We will substitute the OD value. We will get OB value 20 million. The height of the poles are 20 root 3, which we have calculated here, and the distance from the point of elevation to the from the distance from the point of elevation to the 20 meter and 60 meter respectively. The distance from the point to the elevation of is 20 meter and 60 meter respectively. This distance are 20 meter and 60 meter, and the height is 20 root 3. Clear? This was the 10th problem which we have solved. Next we will go to the 11th one. So a TV tower standing, a TV tower stand vertically on the bank of a canal from the point on the other bank directly opposite to the tower. So what it says that a TV tower is standing vertically on the bank of a canal from the point on the bank directly opposite to the tower. A tower के opposite bank में एक TV tower है standing. So it says that from the point on the other bank directly opposite to the tower, the angle of elevation of a top of a tower is 60 degree. So it is this TV tower is standing vertically at the bank of a canal. At the opposite point there is a point from where there is opposite side, there is a point from there. The angle of elevation of a top of a tower is top of a tower is 60 degree, and from another point 20 meters away from this point line, this point to the foot of a tower is the angle of elevation of a top of a tower is 30 degree. It says that from this 20 meters away there is another point. From this point, the point opposite to the tower on the other side of a canal is if we see the angle of elevation, it is 60 degree, and from this point, from this point 20 meter away there is another point. From here the angle of elevation to the top of a tower is 30 degree. Find the height of a tower. We have to find out this height and the width of a canal. Canal का width क्या है? This canal width we have to find out total. Here we have labeled that a tower is AB, and the point to the tower foot, it is BD. So we have to find out this BD. Here what we have to do is we will consider the two triangles. In a triangle ABC, ADB, we have to consider ABD. This big triangle, what it will be, 30 degree angle opposite to 30 degree is BD, AB by DB. So we will write tan 30 degree is AB by DB. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 AB by BD. BD can be BD can, this whole distance is BD. BD can be written as 20 plus CD. So we have written 20 plus CD. Clear? So with this will be labeled equation 1. When we do the cross multiplication, AB is equals to 20 plus CD by root 3. We will do next. We will consider this triangle ABC, 60 degree angle. The angle opposite is tan 60 is equals to AB by BC. So the tan 60 is root 3. AB is equals to BC. AB, if we cross multiply, AB is equals to root 3 by BC. This is second equation. From equation 1 and 2 we can write as, here in the equation 1 we will substitute the value of equation 2. AB is equals to root 3 by BC. You can see the equation 2. sorry, equation 1. In that we were substituting the value of equation 2, root 3 bc 20 plus bc by root 3. If we do the cross multiplication, root 3 into root 3, 3 bc is equals to 20 plus bc. 2 bc is equals to so bc minus 1, 3 minus 1 bc is 2 bc, 20 bc 20. So bc is equals to 10. Putting bc in equation 1, we will get ab is equals to 10 root 3. So if we put this bc value here, we will get 10 root 3. AB is equals to 10 root 3, and the height of a tower is 20 divided by root 3. 20 divided by root 3, and the width of a canal is 10 meters. So width of a canal total BC is 10 meters. Thank you.